guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I just want to say welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today we are going to be doing a DIY chalkboard first day of school sign, and so yeah, let's get started. So I'm just using a foam board that I bought from Dollar Tree, and I'm just trimming the board to get a clean cut. The size of this board will be 13 by 15. Now it's time to place the vinyls, which I've already cut the text and images with my Cricut machine. I will be working with the biggest piece first, and just try to center the piece onto the board. I'm going to grab the transfer tape away from the backing, and I'm going to fold the backing about a couple of inches and then press it on the foam board and then burnish. Gently remove the backing of the vinyl. When it's a big piece like this one, I prefer to just hang on to it and just slowly burnish. You can even try to lay it flat and just burnish from the middle and out if that's any easier for you. Gently remove the transfer tape. Now I'm just going to start placing all the smaller pieces, and I'm just going to fast forward since this is a repetitive process. Placing the vinyl, burnish, removal of transfer tape, and then you just repeat. So for this one, I'm just using a printable adhesive paper and did a print and cut with the Cricut. I'm just placing the transfer tape on the image so I can transfer it to the board. Check out my Amazon store under the description box and you can find all the materials I'm using in this video. And there you go. That is how you make a DIY chalkboard first day of school. Alright you guys, let me know what you think of this video. If you find this helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.